Hello and welcome to a new tutorial. This is Daisy. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to cut fabric appliques with Cricut EXPLORE AIR or Maker and how to customize using those fabric appliques. I will teach you how to work with the design in Cricut Design Space, how to cut the fabric, and how to customize items using those fabric cuts or appliques. For this project, you're going to need fabric. Use the fabric of your choice, heat and bond, and an iron. This time, I will be customizing a Christmas garden flag. Beside the fabric appliques, I will be using iron-on vinyl and the Cricut Easy Press. If you would like to learn how to make garden flag blanks, I invite you to check out the tutorials in my channel. There, I will show you how to sew 5 styles of garden flags. In the video description, I will leave the links of these tutorials and also the list of the products used in this project. I'm going to start with the design in Cricut Design Space, but before, I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, like my video, and press the notification bell. And this is an example of how the design will look when we finish customizing the garden flag. You can find this free design in my website. I'm going to leave the link in the video description for you to download. This design is in SVG format in layers. It is ready for you to resize and cut. The garden flag I'm customizing measures 12.5 by 18 inches. I'm going to insert a square and resize it to 12.5 by 18 inches. This to guide me with the design size. Resize it to your liking, then erase the rectangle, and let's go to make it. And this is how it's going to cut. First, I'm going to rotate one of the images to save on fabric. I will do the same on the other color mat. This is optional. You don't have to do this if you don't wish. When cutting text in iron-on vinyl, remember to set mirror mode. And continue. I will be cutting bonded cotton fabric, so I will select cotton bonded on the material gallery. Go to browse all materials, look for cotton bonded and select it. When cutting bonded fabric, remember to set on mirror mode, just like cutting iron-on vinyl. When cutting bonded fabric, we may use the fine point blade. That means we can cut with EXPLORE AIR or Maker. But when we are cutting fabric only without the heat and bond, we are going to use the rotary blade for the Cricut Maker machine only. We're going to continue cutting the fabric, but before, I'm going to show you how to apply the heat and bond. The heat and bond comes in 2 layers. The paper layer goes on the top. Place it on the fabric and iron it until it's glued. Use the cotton setting on the iron. Then place the fabric on the cutting mat. We will be using the pink mat for fabric. If you don't have that one, you may use the green one. Just make sure to secure it with adhesive tape all around so it doesn't move when cutting. And here we have the Fabric Appliques Cut with the Cricut Machine. Now let's customize the Christmas garden flag. First, I'm going to press the text using the Easy Press. Since I am using glitter iron-on vinyl, I will be pressing at 345 degrees for 45 seconds. But first, I will place a piece of butcher paper on top. Iron the area where you wish to place the fabric appliques. Remove the paper from the back of the fabric and place and align the fabric appliques and iron until they are glued to the garden flag or product you are customizing. You may use a home iron or the easy press. Place a piece of fabric or a piece of butcher paper on top before pressing. And here we have the beautiful garden flag customized using the fabric appliques cut with the Cricut machine. This is optional. You may create an outline using dimensional fabric paint or glitter glue. I am not going to use it this time, but I wanted to show you the option. This is how it will look. If you use it, you will need to let it dry between 12 to 24 hours. Remember to check the description down below to find the link of the free design and the list of the materials used in this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like my video and press the notification bell. Thank you for your visit and I'll see you in my next tutorial.